Hello and welcome back to another episode of Ask NDB Wealth Monthly Market Update for the month of May. I'm Kavin and this is my colleague Tehan who will be starting off with exchange.
Thank you, Kavin. In May, the Sri Lankan rupee experienced a marginal depreciation of 1.67% against the US dollar. This depreciation trend was also observed in the LKR performance against other major currencies, including the British pound, the euro, the Australian dollar, and the Japanese yen. The net foreign currency purchased by the Central Bank of Sri Lanka during the month reduced by 41% compared to the preceding month, amounting to a USD $420 million. By the end of April, the gross official reserves had increased by over $1 billion from the end of 2023, reaching USD $5.5 billion. Additionally, the Sri Lankan rupee appreciated during the year up to the end of May 2024. During the same period, the All Share Price Index experienced a marginal decline of 2%, while the S&P 20 index decreased by 3%. The primary drivers of this movement were the capital goods sector, the food and beverage sector, and the banking sector, as well as the diversified financial sector. The net foreign outflow from the Colombo Stock Exchange during the month of May was relatively small at USD $94 million. The investor activity declined by 47% compared to the preceding month, resulting in an average turnover of LKR 2.7 billion rupees. Over to you, Kavin.
Thank you, Tehan. In the fixed income front, the benchmark 1-year Treasury bill yield declined by 103 basis points to 9.18% compared to April. Additionally, the 3 and 6 month Treasury bill yields have also declined, the 3 months by 128 basis points to 8.62% and the 6 months by 104 basis points to 9.04%. Furthermore, the central bank held a Treasury bond auction during the month, raising 70 billion from the 1st May 2028, 15th October 2030 and 1st October 2032 maturities. The Treasury bond auction was fully subscribed. With the strong demand witnessed in the auction, the central bank further raised 7 billion from the direct issuance window. Additionally, the Monetary Policy Board of the Central Bank of Sri Lanka held a monetary policy review on the 27th May 2024, and during the meeting it was decided to maintain the standing deposit facility rate and the standing lending facility rate at their current levels of 8.5% and 9.5% respectively. Moving on to inflation, headline inflation measured by the year-on-year change in the Colombo Consumer Price Index decelerated to 0.9% in May 2024 compared to 1.5% in April 2024. Food inflation remained unchanged in May 2024 compared to April. Nevertheless, non-food inflation accelerated to 1.3% in May from 0.9% in April. In April 24, exports experienced a year-on-year increase that surpassed the growth in imports, resulting in a reduction of the monthly trade deficit. However, the cumulative deficit for the period from January to April 24 widened. The tourism sector maintained its momentum, although tourist arrivals slowed in April 24, consistent with the usual seasonal pattern. Despite this, inflows to other service sectors remained robust throughout the first 4 months of the year. Worker remittances continue to play a significant role in supporting the external current account and enhancing forex market liquidity. Thank you.
Thank you for joining another episode of Ask NDB Wealth.